What's going on, YouTube? Color Comic back here with another episode. I am your host, Forrest, and today we are going to be drawing the most famous video game character of all time, Mario. As always, if you guys like what you see in my videos, please like and subscribe, and let's get to it. All right, everybody. So what we're going to do to start is we're going to want to draw the outline of his head and his cheeks. You're going to have two lines that come straight down, and then you're going to have his cheeks that go out and kind of make this U shape here. There's one side. Then there's the other side. The next thing we will do are his little sideburns. Sideburn number 1. Sideburn number 2. So his ears are going to start from the bottom and come around in a little U shape. Then the inside of his ears, you're going to do a small U shape here, and then a little half circle above it, and then the same thing on this side. Now we will do the top brim of his hat. The important thing is when you do this brim of his hat line, it's a continuation of his little sideburn top line all the way around in a U shape here. But to do the rest of his hat, the little top brim, pop out a rounded shape, rounded corner here. Another one on the other side. And then one big line to just connect those two lines here. Then we will do the rest of his hat, which we're going to start at the top of the ears, come up, top of his ears over here, and come up again. First half. Second half. Then we'll do his nose. So his nose is huge. It's Mario. He's got a big old nose right in the middle. Then we will do his mustache. Comes out. Other part comes out up here as well. And then we got big old rounded loops that follow it all the way around to the other side. First one. Second one. Give him a big old smiley face. Give him a little dip for his chin. Then we are going to do the M on the top of his hat, and then we'll finish up with his eyes and his eyebrows. Big circle. Big M up top. We will do his eyebrows. Stop at the brim of his hat. Rounded up and around here. Stop again at the brim of his hat. And then all you got to do is just knock out the eyes, and you are all done. Come out on an angle, and it is a horseshoe shape all the way around. And if you're like me and your markers are dying, go get new ones. Interior part of his eye. Eyeball 1. Then the last thing we will do is just fill in his little pupils and his mustache. Now we will do his eyebrows and his mustache. Eyebrows done. And the best part of Mario, the stash. Alrighty, everybody. I ended up going back in and doing some coloring for this Mario because Mario needs his red hat. If you guys stuck around to the end of the video, I appreciate you. And as always, I will see you in the next one.